Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers industry-leading 3-year warranty. The Extron P1817, shown here, is a DC motor control with a built-in brake out of a Sunnen boring machine. This motor control is for the main DC motor spindle, which does the actual boring of the engine block on a Sunnen. After we repair the unit, extra steps are taken to fully document the repair and ensure its proper operation for our customer. At ERD, we offer the industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. For more information about ERD, visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.